The journey ahead is rich with possibility. In your Subaru legacy, you have the confidence to go anywhere without hesitation. Capable, versatile, and engineered for safety, you'll have peace of mind on every ride. Satisfy your spirit of discovery and elevate your driving experience with genuine Subaru accessories, wherever your travels may lead you. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of your vehicle. They're backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories by Thule. Come along on a journey of the senses as we take a closer look at some of the genuine Subaru accessories available for your legacy. Genuine Subaru body side moldings help to protect doors from unsightly dings and dents during your travels. The attractive color-matched moldings coordinate with the styling of your legacy. Further preserve the appearance of your legacy with custom-fit, color-matched stainless steel door edge guards. They're designed to help protect the door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Whether a daily commute or a weekend road trip, help protect the paint finish of your legacy from stones and road grime with genuine Subaru splash guards. Engineered to help reduce wind noise and aerodynamic drag, our splash guards undergo a series of durability evaluations to help withstand weather and various driving conditions. Door scuff protectors help keep your legacy looking new by protecting your doors from shoe scuffs and other scrapes when entering and exiting your vehicle. Available in a set of 4, this accessory is texture matched to seamlessly blend with the door panels. Custom-fitted, high-wall design all-weather floor liners help keep your legacy carpet looking like new by protecting it from accidental spills, snow, sand, dirt, and moisture. Engineered to ensure a precise fit, genuine Subaru floor liners also withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Preserve and protect your legacy trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes, all while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of your cargo while driving. This very popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. Need a little extra room for your cargo? Lower your rear seats without worry of damage. Help keep them protected with the rear seatback protector. Use this accessory with the cargo tray for optimal protection. Neatly contain your cargo and prevent it from sliding while the vehicle is in motion with the genuine Subaru Cargo Net. Go ahead, travel outside of your comfort zone and expand your horizons. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories manufactured by Thule provide the extra go-anywhere capability you need to satisfy your passion for travel. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all our Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increase durability. From the genuine Subaru Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket for additional rooftop storage, and carrier specifically designed to transport your kayak and paddleboard for your adventures on the water, to carrier specifically designed to carry your skis or snowboard. Or, if you're hitting the path or trail on 2 wheels instead of 4, securely transport your bikes with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. With the genuine Subaru fixed-style Crossbar Set, you'll have access to all the Thule lifestyle roof attachments and carriers for increased cargo carrying capability. Protect your eyes from headlight glare and enjoy the programming of home functions with this popular accessory. The auto-dimming mirror with compass and HomeLink integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. Plus, it can let you know the status of your garage door, open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. This upgraded accessory also features an 8-point digital compass to always keep you going in the right direction. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience by adding the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking your doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights located behind the Subaru logo in each exterior mirror illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Transform your travels to an illuminating experience with brighter, whiter, and crisper lighting. The genuine Subaru LED upgrade is developed and tested to Subaru standards for seamless operation and to help ensure the safety of the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. Make the interior of your Legacy as warm or cool as you like before entering the vehicle with the simple push of a button. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 400 feet away, so the climate control system has time to make the interior temperature more comfortable before entry. The remote engine starter works in conjunction with the keyless access and start system. Tune in and enjoy a whole new level of sound quality with the Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade, which includes an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and integrated digital signal processor. Stay connected. With the wireless charger accessory, you can charge your phone quickly and easily without the hassle of tangled wires. Qi certified and compatible with all Qi-enabled devices, the wireless charger incorporates intelligent charging profiles, cell phone battery protection, temperature control, and short-circuit safeguards. We hope you enjoyed the ride as we explored a selection of genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Legacy. Wherever your travels lead you, your Subaru Legacy is an expression of your ambitious spirit. Add a personal touch with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.